Hey everyone, you're watching Auto Technology, the place where car lovers and tech enthusiasts get the latest on cutting-edge vehicles. If you're searching for the perfect ride but feeling lost in a sea of options, don't worry, we've got you covered. Today we're taking a close look at a powerhouse pickup that's been making waves, the Jac T8 PRO. From design to performance, we're breaking down everything you need to know about this rugged beast. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our in-depth reviews, head-to-head comparisons, and exclusive auto industry insights. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming up. The moment you step in, you can feel that this is more than just a workhorse. This truck is built tough on the outside, but in here, it's all about comfort, tech, and practicality. Let's break it down. Cabin and materials. First off, the cabin has a premium feel, which is impressive for a pickup in this segment. Jac has stepped up their game with soft touch materials, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, and these supportive, well-cushioned seats that give off an upscale vibe. The dual-tone color scheme adds a modern touch, and there's even contrast stitching for that extra bit of style. Infotainment and tech. Now check this out. A large touchscreen infotainment system right in the center of the dashboard. It's intuitive, responsive, and supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can seamlessly connect your smartphone, stream music, or use navigation apps without any hassle. Below the screen, you've got physical buttons for quick access to key functions, which is great when you don't want to fumble with the touchscreen while driving. Steering wheel and driver's display. Moving on to the steering wheel, it's got a nice, sporty grip with multi-function controls, so you can adjust volume, change tracks, or even take calls without taking your hands off the wheel. Behind it, the instrument cluster gives you a mix of analog dials and a digital display, showing you key driving info like speed, fuel economy, and even tire pressure monitoring. Comfort and space. One of the standout features of the Jac T8 PRO is the spaciousness. The legroom in the front is excellent, and even in the back, passengers get decent space, not something you always find in mid-size pickups. The seats are designed for long hauls, meaning you won't feel cramped even after hours on the road. Plus, you get rear AC vents, which is a huge plus, keeping everyone comfortable no matter the weather. Storage and practicality. JAC has also thought about practicality. You've got plenty of storage compartments, cup holders, a large center console, and even door pockets that can fit large bottles. And if you're someone who carries a lot of gear, this interior is designed to handle it all without feeling cluttered. All right, guys, let's talk about the exterior design of the Jac T8 PRO. And trust me, seeing this truck in person, it's even more impressive. Since I own this beast, I can tell you firsthand that it turns heads everywhere I go. Bold and aggressive. Front end. Starting with the front, the first thing you notice is that massive chrome-accented grille. It gives the T8 PRO a tough, commanding presence, and those bold horizontal slats add to the rugged look. The JAC logo sits right in the center, making sure you know this truck means business. Then we have the LED headlights, which are sharp, sleek, and come with daytime running lights that not only look cool but also boost visibility. And let's not forget the fog lights, positioned just right to help out on those foggy or rainy drives. Muscular side profile. Moving to the side profile, this is where you really see the pickup DNA shine. The T8 PRO has a high ground clearance, a lifesaver when tackling rough roads or off-road trails. The 18-inch alloy wheels give it a sturdy stance, and honestly, they look amazing whether you're parked in the city or kicking up dust in the countryside. The body lines are sculpted just right, aggressive but not overdone. And check this out, the side steps don't just add to the looks, they make getting in and out super easy, especially if you've got passengers or gear to load up. Durable and functional. Rear end. Now, let's head to the back. The cargo bed is spacious and practical, perfect for carrying tools, bikes, or even a full camping setup. It's reinforced to handle heavy loads without worrying about wear and tear. The LED taillights are stylish yet functional, giving the truck a modern touch while making sure you stay visible at night. And the rear bumper comes with a step for easy access to the bed, super convenient when loading or unloading. The Jac T8 PRO is a flagship pickup truck produced by JAC Motors, officially known as Anhui Jianghuai Automobile Group Corp. As of March 2025, JAC Motors has a market capitalization of approximately $10.13 billion USD. This valuation positions JAC Motors as the world's 1,657th most valuable company. In terms of stock performance, JAC Motors' shares reached a peak end-of-day price of approximately 6.39 Chinese yuan, $0.89 USD, on November 11, 2024. The company's revenue for the fiscal year 2023 was reported at 41.2 billion yen. It's important to note that market capitalization reflects the total market value of a company's outstanding shares and is commonly used to measure a company's overall value. However, specific financial metrics for individual vehicle models, such as the Jac T8 PRO, are typically not disclosed separately. The Jac T8 PRO isn't just about rugged looks, it's got the efficiency to back it up. Whether you're cruising through the city or tackling rough terrain, this pickup is built to perform without guzzling fuel. Under the hood, you'll find a 2.0-liter turbo diesel engine that delivers solid power while keeping fuel consumption in check. On average, it sips around 7.8 liters per 100 kilometers, making it one of the more fuel-efficient options in its class. And with its 6-speed manual or automatic transmission, you get smooth shifts that help maximize fuel economy.